South Georgia Medical Center brought a group of doctors together today with a common goal. That's to educate the public about COVID-19 and try to beat it. WALB News 10's Jennifer Morejon spoke with a few of those doctors and has more on their discussion.
Dr. Mathew Varn practices at Griner Medical Group and sees patients at SGMC. He says people are worried about the vaccine when they should be worried about the virus.
This is someone I've known for a while at the clinic. I treated as a patient who looked at me the month prior and said no, they didn't want it, but now they're struggling to breathe, and that's just, you can almost see the regret in them because this is completely preventable at this point.
Dr. Varn says although nothing is 100%, he says data supports the fact that vaccines prevent hospitalizations and severe symptoms.
I wish people could see what I see. It would make things a lot more clear.
He says a lot of the younger patients are declining and testing positive. He says they're citing misinformation found online as to why they refused the shot. Another physician at SGMC Family Medicine, Dr. Laura Guadiana Sanchez, tells us calls from patients worried about symptoms have increased.
Here in the last few weeks, it's just been almost every day. I'm testing, and almost every day I'm getting positives.
Cough, shortness of breath, and allergy-like symptoms have been common. She says fatigue and body aches can alert you that it's not a typical allergy. For peace of mind, she suggests to get tested at the first sign. Loss of taste and smell is not as common this time around. Dr. Ben Hogan has his own clinic. He says he's been seeing a lot more school-aged kids with symptoms. He encourages everyone to get the shot, not just for their family, but for others.
There also needs to be a certain amount of social conscience about this stuff. Could you get somebody else's parent sick? Could you get somebody else's grandparent sick? And people need to take that into consideration.
Doctors say to continue practicing good hygiene, avoid touching your face, and wear masks. They all have one common message: communicate with your primary provider for information on the vaccine. Now is the time. SGMC will host a COVID-19 vaccination drive-through event here at the Smith Northview campus tomorrow from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. For more information, check out our website, WALB.com. In Valdosta, Jennifer Morejon, WALB News 10.
And as of this morning, SGMC reported having 13 more COVID-19 cases than yesterday. We're told there's currently no capacity issues, but if numbers increase, the hospital is prepared to expand their intensive care unit. They opened their COVID-19 treatment center for positive patients who can receive monoclonal antibody infusion treatment.